Close.
Close.
Please close the door.
Please close the door.
Cook.
Cook.
I cook dinner for my family.
I cook dinner for my family.
Clean.
Clean.
She cleans her room every day.
She cleans her room every day.
Watch.
Watch.
We watch TV in the evening.
We watch TV in the evening.
Start.
Start.
They start school at 8 a.m.
They start school at 8 a.m.
Finish.
Finish.
I finish my homework quickly.
I finish my homework quickly.
Learn.
Learn.
He learns new words every day.
He learns new words every day.
Study.
Study.
She studies English in the library.
She studies English in the library.
Help.
Help.
I help my mom in the kitchen.
I help my mom in the kitchen.
Play.
Play.
The children play in the garden.
The children play in the garden. Close. Cook. Clean. Watch. Start. Finish. Learn. Study. Help. Play.